Hello, everyone. Another market update. Specifically, we are going to talk about why real estate market is so slow before the election. Welcome back, everyone, to my market update. Today, I'm more than happy to share with you another episode in which I'm gonna talk about an update news on real estate market. So here's the information. All right. So we have seen a significant shift in 2024 when you compare to the couple months of the beginning of the year toward the end of the year. All right. Specifically, active listing has increased 37%. Okay. And also, the under contract ratio is now only 32.47. It doesn't, I know this number doesn't mean anything without looking at the comparison between the two time period, right? So let's dive right into this, okay? As from February to 2024 to November 2024, February 2024, we only have about 15,000 active listings on the market. Okay, November we have all the way to 21,000. Okay, more than 21,000. That again is another 37% increase from February to now. That same number, I mean, we only see another time for the last couple of years that we reach this high number is around 2022. Okay, when there is a lot of iBuyers selling off their listing on the market. Okay, so the situation is this. Okay, a lot of people think that the market has been dropping because there's no demand, there's no buyer buying because interest rate is high, right? Or the second reason is interest rate is high. But in fact, the reason why the market's slowing down so much is because there's many houses cannot be sold on the market. Okay, so this situation need to be monitored very carefully. And if I were you, I would come back to this show every single week because I am going to update you everything. Okay, I'm going to update you everything so that I can so that you know the situation. Okay, right. Then another thing that we have to look at, which dropping, okay, is the contract ratio. Okay, the contract ratio is the ratio between the under contract number versus the active listing at one time. Okay, at one time, for example, at November, we have a number of 32.46. That means out of 100 available homes for sale on the market, we only have 32, 33 listing that is actually under contract. That number, when you compare to February 2024, is all the way to 47.7. So okay, obviously we have a much lower contract ratio. The contract over a number that is over 60 is considered a hot market. It means a lot of people transact, okay, a lot of under contract, a lot of pending transaction on the market. 32 is not so cold, okay? Less than 32 is a cold area. That means the market doesn't move a lot. But 32 is obviously very close. And given that we have been trending down since February 24, it's again another alarm signal for the market to go back and price drop. Okay, if the active listing keep going up and the under contract ratio keep going down like this, that means the market will be see a lot of down pressure on pricing because there's so many houses available. Okay, now I just have to be careful on that, okay? Because right now, another factor that I think is the main reason is that everyone slowed down for the last couple of weeks because of the election. A lot of people are waiting for the result of the election before they can transact, okay? But no one know for sure what happened with the election. Well, the lucky thing is tomorrow you're gonna know right the result, right? But what happened after the election, no one know for sure, right? So like I said, we will be continue monitoring these two numbers and will update you the most accurate information as soon as possible. Okay, so my what the question remaining is, what does it mean? To what does shift mean? Okay, meaning is that the market right now is slowing down to waiting for something big, and I hope that it's going to be better for both buyers and the seller. As of right now, my advice is that for seller, if you can wait, okay, if you can wait to list your house on the market, let's wait, okay, because as of right now the buyers has a lot of negotiation power to to put the price of the home lower, right? Even though not so much pressure yet, but if your home is not in a ready to sell condition, you're gonna be um, facing with a lot of less than asking price. Okay, for the buyers, okay, as for the buyer, this is the time that you should take advantage of the slow market and put in your negotiated offer rather than waiting. I'm sorry, rather than waiting for something happen in the future. I think the buyer should be proactive right now to negotiate for the better deal for you. Okay, so that is uh, my advice for buyers and a seller. And thank you so much, everyone, for watching today market update. And I'm looking forward to talk to you again next time. Thank you. Bye bye.